Hello everyone, and welcome to binary search series. And today we'll be looking at the concept of finding the total occurrence of an element using binary search. So the question is pretty simple. We'll be given an array, and the array will have a bunch of numbers, including duplicates, and we'll be given a target element. We have to simply return the total number of occurrences of that target element. Now I have a question for you. Since in the previous video we have seen how to find the first occurrence and how to find the last occurrence of an element, how do you think we can find the total number of occurrences in an array of an element? Um, can we use the concept of finding the first occurrence and the last occurrence? Yes. So what we'll be doing, we'll first find the last occurrence, then we'll find the first occurrence, and then we'll simply subtract last occurrence of the element minus first occurrence of the element plus 1, and we'll get the total occurrences of that element. If you have not watched the previous video where we saw how to find the first occurrence and the last occurrence of the element, I would recommend you to first go and watch that video and then come to this question. So yeah, we can since we know both the concepts, we can simply start coding. So we have got vector of int nums, and let's just define nums. Okay, and let's define the target. Target has 2, so we'll do one thing. Okay, yeah, and then int answer is equal to last occurrence minus first occurrence plus 1. Okay, we'll be passing nums and target. And simply okay, so let's just define both the functions. Let's just write this function first. Nums, and then we have int target. Okay, while start less than equal to end, define the mid. Then we'll simply check if nums of mid equal to target. So here, since we are finding the last occurrence, we'll first store the index, so answer equals to mid, and then we'll shift our start pointer mid plus 1, if I'm not wrong. We'll find last, yes, and then if nums of mid is greater than target, then we'll do something, and if nums of mid is less than target, we'll do something. Okay, so if our nums of mid is greater than the target, so if nums of mid is greater than target, then we'll move our end pointer mid minus 1, and here mid plus 1, and we'll simply return answer. The entire function will be the same. Okay, so let's just see if this runs or not. Yep, we are getting the correct answer. So our output is 4 and the occurrences of 2 is 4. So let's just put our target as 9. Answer should be 3. Yes, we are getting the correct output, and that's how we can calculate the total occurrences of our target element. We'll find the last occurrence, then we'll find the first occurrence, and then simply we'll subtract first occurrence from last occurrence, and then plus 1. Okay, so here the last occurrence of 9 was 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the last occurrence of 9 was 9 and the first occurrence was 7. So 9 minus 7 plus 1, which is 3. So we got 3 as our output. So I hope you understood this question and try to code it by yourself and dry run it on at least 2 test cases. Okay. Um, that's it for this video. Thank you so much and see you in the next one.